Cabrina introduced the concept of deep power on demand with the release of the innovative Override system. Now, with the introduction of Override 2, Cabrina has once again redefined it. One of the most valuable features of a Cabrina bow kite is its ability to immediately depower the kite on demand by simply pushing the control system into override mode. With Override 2, you can avoid many accidents before they happen by maintaining the control of the power of your kite at all times. With the bar sheeted in, you have full power. With the bar placed in override mode, you have maximum depower. Unlike many other kites, the Cabrina bow kites can be depowered without ever taking your hands off the control bar. Another trademark feature of override is that you can temporarily let go of the control bar to unspin your lines. When the override stopper unit is seated on its sleeve, it will temporarily stop the bar from entering the override mode while you spin your bar to untwist your lines. The stopper unit is set to release at a load of approximately 10 kg. A tension ring is supplied if you would like to increase the release load. With each click of the ring, the tension is increased around the stopper and the release load becomes higher. It should be noted that increased loads will require more force to unseat the stopper and put the control bar into override mode. The override unit is set at the factory in the position where the kite starts to lose its power when the control bar is just touching it. The area between the stopper unit and the centerline adjustment strap is called the override mode. To depower the kite, push the control system into the override mode. If the stopper unit is seated onto its sleeve, you will need to unseat it with a firm push. When the control bar is pushed into the override mode, the kite will lose its power and immediately begin to drop from the sky. The recovery couldn't be any simpler. Just grab a hold of the control bar, straighten the lines, and it's ready to relaunch again. If you want to reset the override stopper unit, just pull it back onto the sleeve until it clicks into place. When launching the kite from land, it is recommended to leave the override stopper unit off of its sleeve so that the kite can be depowered immediately by placing the bar into override mode. Override 2 can also be used when performing unhook tricks. First, be sure to unseat the override stopper unit from its sleeve. Then connect your leash to the ring on the harness loop. When the rider drops the bar during a missed trick attempt, the kite will immediately begin to depower itself and slowly drop from the sky. To recover the kite, just grab a hold of the control bar, unspin any twists in the line, and relaunch the kite. Override 2, just one of the many innovations from Cabrina that let you decide how you want to ride. Cabrina Kite Surf Equipment, once again bringing you innovations that matter.
Available from PowerKiteShop.com.